Greg here. Good news. The Vehicle Exchange Program is back at the Pahrump Valley Auto Plaza. With low APR financing, more cash back, and payoff assistance on your vehicle. The goal? To exchange keys and get you a newer car, truck, or SUV with more features at or lower than what you're currently paying now. Interest rates are still at record low levels. Factory incentives have been extended, and the value of the vehicle you're driving now may never be worth more than it is today. If you're paying over 1.9% APR, this program may benefit you. Look for the Vehicle Exchange banner on PahrumpCars.com or bring in your current vehicle today for a quick and easy evaluation and get your exchange proposal within minutes. The exchange program has been extended, but only through March 31st and only at the Pahrump Valley Auto Plaza.